In Texas, almost everything you own can be set up in such a way that probate becomes unnecessary. Now, you have to be really careful to make sure you've done this right. But if you have a lot of assets that are beneficiary designated accounts like life insurance, 401ks, IRAs, or if you have bank accounts that you have designated as POD or payable on death, and finally, for real estate, you can do a transfer on death deed. You can also do these for motor vehicles. So there are many different mechanisms that you can use to avoid probate for almost all assets, even if you don't have a trust. If you have a joint account with your spouse and something happens to one of you, that joint account designation will automatically vest that account in the surviving spouse's name. So having joint accounts is a good way to avoid probate, at least between spouses. Now, if both of you are gone, it would be important to have that account designated with a payable on death beneficiary. Then it can go to the next level of heirs without probate. There are a lot of considerations that go into deciding whether to transfer your home into a trust. If there's a reason to have a trust for a variety of different assets, or if you're trying to avoid creditor claims or lawsuits, or perhaps even plan for Medicaid eligibility in the future, you may want to consider a trust. But there are some alternatives to putting your house in a trust, such as a transfer on death deed, that can allow for your house to pass automatically and outside of probate, even without a trust. You can add a designation to most bank accounts indicating that you want it to be POD, or sometimes you hear the term TOD, which is payable on death or transfer on death. This creates a contract with your banking institution that says, when I die, if they present a death certificate for me, then the contract says that the bank pays the money to the person I've designated. That's the POD or TOD beneficiary. That allows those accounts to pass outside of probate. There are a lot of ways that you can set up your estate to avoid probate altogether, either with or without a trust. To explore those options, give us a call at DeFord Law Firm.